Cannot, pwedeng hindi ko po siya i-disclose for my, yeah.
Bakit hindi mo pwede-disclose?
Personal.
Personal.
Yes po.
We are just establishing, Miss Cassandra Ong, that yung Whirlwind at saka Lucky South, isa lang to. The same people. Tama?
Yung una po, yes po.
So you confirm?
Yes po, yung
Also,
una.
when was the time that you met Kare Roque?
I think around 2022, after election.
So, first meeting, nandun ka?
Opo.
After nung first meeting nyo, may second meeting pa kayo? Nagkita pa ulit kayo?
Wala na po. To be exact is hindi po kami nag-uusap after first meeting.
Hindi, sinamahan ka pa nga sa pagpor.
Yes po. Ito, ina-explain ko po. Please give me time to explain po, Mr. Chair. Yeah.